Hello, I want to introduce you to something very exciting. Self-portraits made with the MaKoHu technique are becoming more and more popular among artists, and now I will show you how you can create a unique, exciting and iridescent final result with the MaKoHu technique. In the video, I present the process by which you can create your own self-portrait using the MaKoHu technique. For this, you will need several layers of paint, which you apply one after the other to the gel plate. The MaKoHu technique allows you to work in great detail and achieve a final result that is completely unique and exciting. In the video, I present each step of the self-portrait process and show how I develop the very precise paper backfitting. This is the essential condition for creating the composition and helps the end result to be even more precise and detailed. The process of creating a self-portrait is a real challenge, but it can also be a very enjoyable and creative process. A self-portrait made with the MaKoHu technique gives a very interesting iridescent final result, which is guaranteed to create an impressive effect. I hope this video will inspire you and show you how exciting it can be to use the MaKoHu technique for self-portraits. If you have any questions about the video, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you for taking me on this exciting journey. I clean the paint roller on another gel sheet, which I then draw on paper. I clean the paint roller on another gel sheet, which I then draw on paper. I create the yellow surface with a plexiglass wave plate. I make the smooth surface with a very small metal roller. This is the essence of the MaKoHu technique. Based on the projected image, I remove the excess acrylic paint with a specially made tool. Here you can see the precision paper fitting tool. The self-made paper smoothing tools work for me.